Hello everyone, Harsh this side. This is the task 3 of my Python internship offered by codesoft.in. So in this particular task, we have to create a password generator using the Python language, and it should ask user the password length and the complexity of the password. So as you can see, I have used 3 complexity of the passwords. I've made 3 complexity for the password. That is easy, medium and hard. The easy one will contain only the uppercase alphabets, lowercase alphabets. And if the complexity of password is set to medium, it will use uppercase English characters, lowercase English characters, and some numerals, or you can say digits. And for the hardest complexity of the password, it will use uppercase characters, lowercase characters, numerals, and some special characters, or you can say punctuation marks. So just I'm going to demonstrate you the program. So just let me run this program. So yep, now it was asking user to specify the password length. Suppose I give it a 10, and the complexity of password, first of all I'll give easy. So as you can see, this is a 10 character long password that this program has created. So as you can see, I have given complexity as easy, so therefore it has used only the uppercase character and the lowercase characters, and it has no digits or special characters. So let me just again run this program and specify the password length as 10, and this time I'll use the medium complexity of the password. So I'll just type 2 for the medium, and as you can see, it has used uppercase characters, numeral values, and lowercase characters. So this is the 10 digit long medium complexity password. So just let me give you an example of the hardest complexity of password. So suppose I give it a 10, and I'll press 3 for the hardest complexity of the password. And as you can see, this is a 10 digit long password, and it has used um, lowercase characters, special characters, or you can say punctuation marks, uppercase characters, and some numeral values. So thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next video.